I'm going to show you how to the whole process of running WhatsApp TV ads. I will give you some WhatsApp TVs that I personally run ads with them and I trust them. They are very good. When you want to run WhatsApp TVs, you need three things. Three things. You need ad creative, you need a copy, you need link. Your link, that is your access link. And let me just show you. So let me go to my phone. So I'm here on my WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp here. So let me just come here and then tap on this search, and I'm going to tap TV because I save all my TVs with TV. So you can see I've run advertisements with a couple of, I think all of the TVs save here. I've run advertisements. There's a lot of TVs I have. So when let's tap on this first one, at Ninja Premium TV. I like Ninja Premium TV. I run advertisements with it so many times. So look at now. I told you when you want to run advertisements, you make sure you have three things. Three things. Your ad creative. You can see this. Your ad creative. This one. This first one. This big awoof ever product. You can see this video is your ad creative. That is the creativity of your ads, your advertisements. Could a video, a flyer, it can be a video, it can be a flyer. Now then your link, you can see this one, this second one now, your link, your walink, or yes, walink, or whether even your link from your WhatsApp, you can just use it there. So it's a little call to action. Get access now for just 1,000. Price goes back tomorrow. That is the call to action. Very strong hook call to action. You can see I paid him. Then this is to another flyer. Now copy, you also need copy. There's something we call copy. Copy is, you can see this copy here. You can never go broke after mastering the skill of graphic design. Good. So that is a copy. So copy is just a written word. You can see this another one I ran advertisement with before. This all these advertisements I ran with this guy. This for my graphic design class before. So you can see there's a lot you can, but let me show you now. So if you want to run advertisement, you need a TV, right? You need a TV. So what you're going to do is simply let's go back again to the WhatsApp TV. When you go to WhatsApp TVs, you just ask them a question. So let me just literally type this question. Let me ask them. You just ask them, hello, hello boss. You can just say hello. Please, what are your rates? What are your rates? You can just watch your rate. What are your rates? You see? So that's how you can do it. So you can now also because I'm going to give you more than just one. I'm going to give all of these TVs. I'll give you access to them. You can now ask the rest of the TVs too. TV. You can just say hi boss. What are your rates? So this is the first step in running WhatsApp TVs, right? You ask them what are your rates. So you're going to now chat with them up. Let me stop this. So now you can chat with these prices. You can chat with these TVs and try to negotiate prices with them. But they are fairly less expensive and have big results compared to running advertisement with other platforms, because this is WhatsApp TVs. There are other platforms that you can run advertisements with Facebook ads, Google ads, all other uh, TikTok ads and stuff. So those are other platforms that you can run advertisements with to get more views on whatever product or service that you want them to. Now you see, you have to learn everything I've taught you using the free version of, or the free method of run of ads, that is organic traffic. That is you creating content and you posting on your status, or you posting on TikTok, or you posting on other social media platforms, just like what I've told you. Now those are the free. So my own advice to you, and I'm telling you, it's not even advice, I'm telling you now, get used to creating content and posting it for free organically, and get used to that. make it a culture, make it a habit, so that you will learn by creating value content. You will learn by creating volume content. Now, volume content is you creating a lot of content over time. Now, what you're doing is that you're practicing how to create content. I showed you how to create content in the last classes. Go back and look at. You're practicing how to create content, you're researching, it's becoming part of you. So before you know it, you will now practice, you will now become better. So running advertisement is now going to be a bigger advantage for you, because you now understand how people react to certain things. You have posted some free videos, and then you saw how people reacted to that free video. Then you can now use that free video to run advertisement, because this is another hack now that people won't tell you. Post organic content, then when you see the engagement you have on that organic content, then you can now use that organic content to run advertisements. That is one of the easiest way to get results. These are things that people won't tell you. So you can chat to this TVs, try to negotiate prices with them. Their prices used to be lower than this, but things are growing, things are changing, prices of things are increasing. Even human beings their prices too are increasing. I can remember before, my mentorship session was 5,000. It reached 10,000, but right now it's 20,000, and it's going to increase very soon. So that is just how it is. The more you learn, the more you earn. That's how it is. Except you just don't want to earn. Maybe you just want to you want to do Father Christmas or so. So as you learn, also you're in class, you're learning. Reach a point whereby you're going to increase your price. So there must have to be what the value in relation with the price you get. So that is it. But the price doesn't really matter, like people think it does. As a marketer, you understand that price is just a concept. Just a concept. So you just focus on being better. So you can chat these TVs up. Now I've chat them up, I'm going to wait for their reply, and maybe I'm going to continue. I don't want to run advertisements with them, but if let's say for instance I run advertisements with them, then that is it. So now when you have reached terms with the TV, agreement terms, then you will now you will now send them copy, add creative, and then link. So let me show you how to do that. Now to get your link, I'll recommend you come to this website called Walink. Walink. You can see it here. Walink. Just type Walink on your browser. It's going to bring you to this website. You can see create WhatsApp link. Good. Now, one beautiful thing about creating WhatsApp link using Walink is that it will give you option to pre to pre-message and to pre-message, so that when your client when your lead tap on your link, the lead is going to come with a pre-message. So you just put your number here. So I'm just going to put my own number. So you can now you can see I've put my number. So if you're not Nigeria, you can just come here and then select your own country. If you're not Nigerian, you're watching this video. So here you're now going to write the message that you want your lead or your potential customer to tap on and see when the person is coming to your DM. So you just say, I or let's start with hi sir or hi ma. Hi sir. If you're sir, you put hi sir. If you're ma, you put hi ma. I am interested in the you can just put the product that you're advertising, the product you're advertising. Let me just put the product, but let's say, okay, the WhatsApp TV, this is WhatsApp TVs that we are, let's say for instance, I'm trying to market the WhatsApp TV product. So product or service, depending on what you're running advertisements for. I hope you get my point. Good. So when you now write this in, all you have to do is just to come down. You come down and then write generate walink. So it's going to generate the walink for you, and then this is the walink that it has generated for you. So you copy, just come here and copy. You can do this on your phone, please. You can do this on your phone. Copy it. When you copy it now, you now take it to your notepad, your Google Keep, or you can just keep it anywhere. So let me just put it on, let me text myself on WhatsApp with it. So walink. So this is the walink. So maybe I can just do enter. Yeah, so this is my walink. Good. Now I've gotten my link for access. The next thing is my copy. So you can see, you can come to ChatGPT when you want to write copy. Life has become very easy, so you can use AI for these things, and I'm going to show you another way that you can be very smart as an advanced marketer. So now you can see this, what I came to my AI. You can use ChatGPT or AI on your WhatsApp. So I wrote, write me a short copy pitching the WhatsApp TV contacts, telling the benefits of more eyes to one's business, and urgency for one to buy and advertise first before it gets saturated. So now I'm brainstorming. I'm using creativity to even ask the AI, because now I'm telling the AI to write me a copy, and I'm telling the AI, I'm hitting the pain points. You can see, telling the benefits of more eyes. So I'm emphasizing the benefits of more eyes. You understand? I'm emphasizing the benefits of more eyes. I'm trying to tell the AI what I want the AI to project for me. So you can see, so the AI now brought out this one. Now get more eyes on your business before it's too late. Now imagine your business seen by thousands of active buyers daily. More leads, more sales, and more money. You can see instant visibility, more customer, more sales, limited slots available. Now look at this. This is a copy that you can now copy and send. I told you, you need three things to run advertisement on WhatsApp TV: is a copy, your link, and an ad creative. So now this is a copy. Now a copy can also be an ad creative, but to get premium results, get these three things. I now said do the same, but use Valentine. So you see, Valentine is around the corner now, depending on the time that I'm making this video, because I'm making this video on the 8th. Yes, on the 8th of February. Valentine is at the corner, so I'm utilizing what I have around me. I'm critically thinking. As a marketer, you critically think. Good. So now do the same, but this time include Valentine in it, and explain how business can utilize this period you get to make more sales. Now it now rewrote this thing, now the copy again, and then but he now puts Valentine to the whole picture of it. And you can see these are things that AI is making simpler for you. Now look at what I told you to rewrite it. Yes, write this copy this time. Start with the pain point of the business struggling to increase income. Give three reasons why they should. You see, I gave it. I just so that is the point. I don't want to waste so much time on reading all of these things. They now came up with this with three pain points. Now I say turn it this time to suit Nigerians. Please write in English. So you see, this is now, it suits Nigerian English. You get, suit Nigerians, so that more Nigerians can understand the ads. An average Nigerian can understand the ads well. So you see, your business know they sell. See why? If your business know they move like you want, now because of these three things. You see, so now it will reach more Nigerians, because this language now is now understood by more Nigerians. It's very easy for Nigerians to understand the way they speak. So depending on your country you're watching this video now, you can write, tell the AI to write it to suit Brazilians. That is, if you're a Brazilian watching, or you're an American watching this, or you're an Ethiopian watching, whatsoever country you are, tell the AI to get more people to understand your ads. So now when you're now getting your ad copy, you can now copy it and then take it again to your WhatsApp, and then you paste it here to your WhatsApp. Now for your ad creative, you can see I made a video for ad creative, and I told you how to make content. So all you're trying to do now with ad creative is trying to explain to the people your product. So to the best of your ability, your capacity, your capabilities, you explain the product. You now, when you're making flyers, ask yourself this question. Now if I see this video now, will I understand what the video is stating? Will I understand what this flyer is telling me? So that's how you make videos to be able to project what you're saying to the people that need your services. So for instance, now you can see this video now that I made. It's very, very clear. It's very you can understand exactly what I let me just play it again. I will send it to you, or if I've sent it to you, if I've not sent it to you, you can ask me and send it to you. or check the group, check the Telegram group is there.
Are you a business owner, CEO, or entrepreneur, and you're struggling to get more customers to patronize your business? You will love this. Let me show you the amount of customers I got from this particular TV I ran advertisement. So let me show you how. So this is how I save all the content. All I have to do is just come here to search, and I save all the content with DMC, because the name of the TV I ran advertisement with, the name of the influencer I ran advertisement with, her name is Damaku. So I save all the customers here with DMC. You can see DMC, you can see DMC. Look at all the, you can see over 200 leads. Now I'm going to give you access to 172 WhatsApp TVs for only a fee of 5,000 naira. So you can get all these TV contacts, you can save them, and then just observe their status with time, and then you can see which of these influencers or TV that you can run advertisements with and get results like this. The reason why I prefer running advertisements with WhatsApp TVs is because the people that are watching these WhatsApp TVs already trust these WhatsApp TVs for the WhatsApp TV to advertise any product on their channel. So you can just copy the numbers of these WhatsApp TVs and then save it on your phone, and then observe them over time, and then you can run advertisements with them. If that is something that you're interested in, you can just DM me or get it from the link in the next post or under the video.
Simple. So you understand, your ad creative is supposed to be very explanatory. You go straight to the point, precise. I showed you how to make content, practice making content until it becomes part of you, because naturally we are not used to talking to devices, but with time, as you practice more, you become an expert in it. Now, if you're not my student, you're just watching this on YouTube, the link is under the description of this video for the 172 WhatsApp TVs. So if you want to access that, you can, but I'm also going to give you this WhatsApp TVs, these 2 WhatsApp TVs for free. I'm just going to give you can try them out. That is, if you want to run advertisements for your business, or you want to run advertisement for other people's business. Also, if you have not joined the G4G affiliate marketing program and you want to join the G4G affiliate marketing program, you want to understand affiliate marketing in a much more detailed space, then feel free to join the G4G affiliate marketing program. Link also is under the description of the video to join the school. It's a school. So that is it. Okay, my name is Victor and welcome to my channel. If you're interested in making money online, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I drop content you are going to get notified.